Okay, looking at part B for number 3, we are verifying trig identities, which means we need to pick a side and make it look like the other side. Generally, I pick the side that has more going on because I think it's easier to simplify than to build up. So here, that would be the left-hand side, which is 1 minus cosine squared of x over cosine x plus 1. So looking at this problem, I know that I'm going to want to keep cosine, so I don't want to change anything into secant or anything like that. But when I look at the top, I see that this is a difference of squares. So remember, a difference of squares is something squared minus something squared. And you factor it down into a positive and a negative. So the top, 1 squared is 1, so the square root of 1 is 1. Square root of cosine is going to be, or cosine squared is just cosine. So I have 1 plus cosine and 1 minus cosine, all over cosine plus 1. Now I need to make sure that I have 1 plus cosine on the top and cosine plus 1 on the bottom. Now the 1 is positive. Sorry about that. The 1 is positive, and the 1 is positive down here. Cosine is positive, cosine positive down here. So I can, in fact, cancel those because the signs are exactly the same. So cosine plus 1 is the same thing as 1 plus cosine. Those are reversible. So those can cancel. And look at that. All I have left over, 1 minus cosine of x. And that's what I wanted in the first place.